everybody. Thank you for watching our video and taking a look at our product. It's the Grease Eater product. It's the preferred hood cleaning product for the MFS Exhaustion Cleaning School. And you're going to love this product. It's used for everything related to hood cleaning. We're using it in a class today. We're doing a training, and we're going to put 4 quarts into a 25-gallon plastic tub, and we're going to let our filters soak for about 2 hours, and then we're going to pull them out, and they're going to be spotless. So that will save you about an hour's worth of time if you're a hood cleaner or if you're a restaurant, and then you can reuse the same chemical about 4 or 5 times before you actually throw it out. So that way you'll save money, but most importantly you'll save time cleaning filters. So we're going to pour this right in. And when you're doing that, you want to wear your gloves. It is a concentrated product. That's one. And I wanted to show you how dirty these filters are. We're gonna actually put them in there and let them soak. So 2 hours later, we'll see what happens. All right, 2.5 hours later, 'cause I forgot to take them out an hour or two, but let's see how our filters look like. Pretty clean. We're gonna just rinse them. Somebody can just take this for me. They're wearing gloves. Put it there so we can give them a rinse. These are the really dirty filters that we stuck in here, as you remember on the first, when we first put it in. Wow. So, okay. This is literally with no pressure washing at all, just letting them soak. Nice and spotless. Just rinse them out, put them on the other side of that. Let's rinse them out a little bit. And the great thing about this chemical is that this solution we can actually reuse 4 or 5 times before we throw it out. So that way we save a little bit of money, because we only put 4 quarts of Grease Eater here and 25 gallons of 25-gallon container, actually 27-gallon. If you zoom in on this 27-gallon plastic tank right here, and that's it. So this is a great way to clean filters, whether you're a restaurant owner or whether you're a hood cleaner. Save about an hour's worth of time fooling around with the pressure washer. Thanks so much for watching.